Ya no me quiere.
I'm just so tired of hearing y'all's voices.
Mi hoy es mi cumpleaños.
I'll tell you. Yo, y'all come out acting like me. It's a wrap.
Ahora.
Alright, here we go. So what we're going to do, it says factor each polynomial, determine if you use the star method or perfect squares method. Because that's what this test is on. Star method or perfect squares method. And what is the one thing we have to look out for every time we factor?
Which one call it? No. The sign. Oh, wait, that didn't say a sign. So wait a minute.
What? GCF. Watch out for GCF. Take a point.
Watch out. Watch out for Jill. I think my paper look different. Oh, no.
Just because I'm writing in marker. Watch out for GCF.
Watch out for Jill.
What are you even saying?
Alright, number 1. Is this the perfect square method or star method?
That's the perfect square.
That's star, because neither of those are perfect squares. And if you don't remember, you get your card out. 3 is not a perfect square. 10 is not a perfect square. It's the star method. Yes.
Can we use our card on this?
Yes. Yes.
Can I take a picture of that? Because I don't have.
May I? At the end of class. You already did.
No, see, what happened was.
No. Number 2. Perfect square or star? Star.
Hey, Curtis, send me that photo.
Yeah, the next one. That one, what's the other one called? It's starting something. What's it called?
Is star or perfect squares?
Yeah, the next one perfect square. Right?
2 and 18 are not perfect squares. So what method are we going to use? Star method.
Estrellita. Estrellita.
Is there a number that goes into 4, 13, and 10?
No.
And are 4 and 10 perfect squares?
No.
So it's star.
I'm not doing 13.
How do I say it?
Estrellita. Estrella.
Es-
¿Eh?
Nine.
es-
Estrella.
Estrella? Get your gun out?
No.
Okay. Oh, stop. All right, number 5. This is the star method, but does this have a GCF?
No.
Yes.
I'm not going to see 3.
Yes, someone.
I mean, I'm not going to see 9.
Está mi mona las papas.
Okay, so it's star.
And GCF. You have a GCF in this one. What number goes into 12, 69, 45? What number? 3.
Cuatro.
So you would divide everything by 3. What's 12 divided by 3? Alright, what's 69 divided by 3?
No.
23. Yeah. And what's 45 divided by 3? 15. Alright, okay, now I do not have to go through each of these and tell you what method to use, so I suggest that you stop talking and take your hood off and pay attention. Does everybody understand? Do I need to come take your hood off for you?
I forget my hood, I swear.
Alright, number 6, what method is this? Good. Number 7. Number 8. Is there a GCF in this one? What's the GCF for this one? 4 doesn't go into 38.
I'm saying 9, 18, 27, 32, 45. No, that don't go down. 9 will go in the never mind.
What's 4x squared divided by 2?
2x squared.
What's 38x divided by 2?
Dang.
X's. And 70 divided by 2? Good. Take a point. Alright, number 9. Star and. And what's the GCF on this one? Dos. Alright, what's 4x squared divided by 2? What's 22x divided by 2? And. Good. Number 10? Just the star, right? We good on the front? Now on 5, 8, and 9. On 5, 8, and 9, your final answer is going to have that GCF on the outside. So 2 is going to be on the outside, 3 is going to be on the outside, 2 is going to be on the outside of your parentheses. Does everybody understand? You have to have your GCF as part of your answer or you don't get the problem right.
Okay. 3.
Para ahorita.
No, para mañana.
Are you ready? Okay. All right, turn it over. Number 11. Is 121 a perfect square?
Yep.
Is 4b squared a perfect square? So this is the square method.
What?
Finally got one square, boy.
See, those will be easy.
If we remember how to do them.
Yeah, y'all don't know how to do that.
It's a weekend.
All right, number 12.
Sí, me está bien. Sí, square.
Oh, chill.
Number 13.
Sí. Sí, me está bien.
Yes. Can it wait? Does it have to do with this? What?
But what if your baby come out black?
Then I'm going to be very confused because Mark is not black.
Ooh.
Oh.
Alright, squares. And what else does 14 have? GCF. What's the GCF of this one? Dos. P. Good. Now, what's 2 divided by 2?
Dos. Uno.
If you have 3 P's and you take out 1, how many are left? Alright, what's 162 divided by 2?
50, 30, 80.
No. 16 divided by 2.
Pero ese es mi. 81.
Thank you. And 1 P, take out 1, you have none left. So that's perfect squares in the GCF. So your final answer is going to look like this. Number 15. No. Square. 25 and 36 are both perfect squares.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
We supposed to be.
Supposed to be writing.
Man, I'm like all over the place. I'm on number 18.
Thank you. Stop. This one is also squares because 81 and 25 are perfect squares. This is a plus.
Oh, I thought it was a 14.
I know. I'm sorry.
Square.
And that's a square. Good. Nope. You would think so because 3 goes into 9 and 12, but does 3 go into 4?
No.
Nope. All right, number 18. You don't have to do a GCF since it's perfect squares. Number 19. Everything goes into it. And then we're going to talk about on 20 why we can't factor that one. It's magic.
I already know.
All right, turn your paper over. Turn your paper over. Turn your paper over today. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're gonna check them. Now, what page?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6. What page is the star method on that we're using for this? Star method with the number out. Look at 29. And what page are the perfect squares on? 30. Write this down at the top. And you need to use your notebook because you cannot ask for help. You are doing it on your own. Ready, set, go. And then we're going to check.